Hi guys, in today's video we will be making a Tata keychain. So for this you need clay, like how we made in the last video, or air dry clay, a box where you can keep your water, paint brushes, paint, red, yellow and black, and then lastly parchment paper. Let's get to it. So take your clay and make a little heart shaped out of it. So I have the reference on top for you to see. This is how it should look, and I'm making it here, so if you'd like you can follow my steps. So now I'm making the little details. So Tata's eyebrows, don't mind me, Tata's eyes, and I will paint out Tata's mouth. So you can either make all of Tata's details out of clay, or you can just paint them on. So I'm going to paint on the little mouth, but otherwise all of the other things will be made by clay. So lastly, take a paintbrush and make a little hole so that you can put your string through and make a keychain. So you can use a blow dryer to blow your keychain, but it might leave some cracks on it, but you can fix them on later. This will make it dry faster. So that's dry. Now we can paint. So I have red paint and I'm painting Tata all red because that's supposed to be the base. Now I'll blow dry it so that it's not wet. And now I'm adding black paint. If you mess up like how I did right here, you can go back and paint it back after drying it. So now I'm painting on Tata's mouth, blow drying it so that the paint gets dry, and I can put on the second coat and fix up my sticks. So now I'm drawing the little line for Tata's mouth and now your keychain is made. Bye!